everyone! In this video, I will show you how to browse the themes in PowerPoint. First, go to PowerPoint. And here you can select one of these templates, or you can choose one of the suggested searches, or you can click on the search bar to search for more templates and themes online. Just search with keywords like nature or professional. And then select the template you want to use. Like, let's select this one, for example. Just click on it. Then click on create. And now you can edit the template to your liking. You can change the pictures, the text, now the colors, add shapes or text or anything. And here are some instructions from Microsoft to help you edit in your presentation. And once you're done, just go to File and click on Save or Save As. And select the location where you want to save your presentation. Then change the name and the type. Then click on Save. And that's it. I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.